Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for August 22nd. We are looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair. This pair moved higher before moving lower. Didn't quite break our resistance here at the high of this session. Did pull back, closed just up just by a little bit. Didn't quite retrace the gap either. We'll look for that during this next session. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 77.53, possibly as low as 76.15. Look for some resistance around 77.25 and look for some support around 75.95. Now the Euro USD pair, this pair created an inside bar, did close down, is moving sideways. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 145.12, possibly as low as 142.26. Look for some resistance around 144.50 and look for some support around 142.50. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair closed down during this previous session. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 165.86, possibly as low as 163.41. Look for some resistance around 165.50 and look for some support around 164.15. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed down just by a little bit, had an extremely small range, did create an inside bar. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 0.7983, possibly as low as 0.7773. Look for some resistance around 0.7983 and look for some support around 0.7800. Now, as far as news analysis go, we have the German VEW survey being released, economic sentiment essentially, which will affect the euro at 5 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that one is that it has dropped from a negative 15.1 to a negative 26.0. Now, as far as what I'm looking at during this next session, if you can, let's take a look at the Euro USD. This pair did create an inside bar. We'll be looking for a breakout of that to the downside or the upside, either one. There we go. And let's grab this here. Looking for a buy to the upside, be a quick little scalp area. And to the downside, don't think it will get there, but we do have an area that we can look to exit. To the upside, looking to grab about 22 pips, which would be 100 and about 110 on that one. We got about 98 from that distance to go until this was triggered. 38 pips worth of profit. Looking to short around the 142.57 mark. Look to exit around 142.18. To the upside, looking to buy around 144.50. And then looking to exit that trade around 144.72. Take a look at the pound US dollar pair. Create a swing trade opportunity over the past three sessions here. Look for a breakout to the downside. If it triggers a trade, we should be able to get at least down to this low, grabbing roughly about 23 pips on that move. Just looking for a short and for it to zip through that area. Shouldn't be a problem as far as range goes, plenty of room. Now, looking at the US Swiss, we have an inside bar that's been created as well. This one's fairly close to the market though, as far as distance. Don't have to worry about it quite as much. To the upside, looking to buy, grabbing about 54 pips. To the downside, looking to grab about 38. Hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.